Hi everyone, my name is Daniel Matic Villano and I am 17 years old this summer. My zodiac sign is Aries. It means behave and independent. My mother's name is Leilani Matic and my father's name is Dennis Villano. And I am proud to tell you that I am graduated in Jacobo C. Gonzalez Memorial National High School, located in Barangay San Antonio, Binyan, Laguna. The reason why I choose my strand, it is because my passion. I love to make people beautiful using magic of my hands. I know that I'm not the best artist, but I want to improve it. My hobbies are playing volleyball, joining Miss Gay, and of course, makeup. And my favorite subject is life and earth science. And my dream is to become a successful makeup artist someday. Thank you.